What's up, Mr. Rose's class? It's Brian Smith here, and I'm about to drop a truth bomb on all of you. Climate change is a very real and serious subject that needs to be discussed right now! I know what you're thinking. Isn't the climate always changing? What exactly is climate change? Why should we care? Well, that's exactly what they want you to think. The Earth's climate has always changed throughout history due to variations in the Earth's orbit. But climate change today is described as an abrupt increase in the Earth's temperature. In fact, it has gotten 2 whole degrees warmer in just the last century. And I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but it is actually a ridiculous temperature that can only be caused by human activities. That means you, me, and even Jesus Christ himself, we're all to blame. Humans have come a long way. We've built so many inventions and have made so many advancements with airplanes, faster cars, smartphones, and electronic cigarettes, but we have also increased our consumption of natural resources and in turn have released a lot of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, which are horrible for the planet. Greenhouse gases literally trap heat radiating from the sun and just keeps it in there to cook us like chicken tenders. It's disgusting. No one wants to be a chicken tender. One of global warming's biggest victims is our oceans. The ocean provides 50% of the world's oxygen and regulates temperatures. Do you know how important that is? I guess nobody does because the temperature of the Earth has risen 0.3 degrees warmer since 1969. And I know, again, that doesn't sound like a lot, but it would take 16,000 years to boil all that water in that time. And in that time, you could make 2,805,062,400 packets of ramen noodles. Another problem that's occurring in the ocean is ocean acidification. This is disgusting. We're literally turning our oceans into vinegar. Ugh! Ew! Since the 1800s, the acidity of the ocean has risen by 30%, endangering calcium-based oceanic life forms like clams. And yeah, I know what you're all thinking. Clams? Ew! Nobody likes clams. They're so ugly. But this may come to a surprise for you. There are some people who actually like clams. 1 billion people to be exact who rely on the ocean as their main source of protein. The ocean is also rising. The ocean has risen 6.7 inches in the last decade. That's more than half a Subway sandwich. If you went to the beach 10 years ago and put a Subway sandwich next to the water, I bet you never would have thought that the ocean would be taller than that sandwich someday. The oceans are rising because as the temperature goes up, the ocean expands. And on top of that, glaciers and ice sheets are melting. Since 1994, every year on average, Europe has lost 400 billion tons of ice from its glaciers. And I know what you're thinking. Europe! Ew! I know, but we all do share this planet. And we all collectively as humans, except for the Amish, have contributed to fricking this planet up and making it nasty and inhabitable to many species. So now, we all need to put on our responsibility pants and buckle up because I'm gonna need everyone here to start recycling.